OnePlus has created a pretty good amount of hype around its upcoming affordable phone under the Nord series. Recently, the company posted its first episode of its New Beginnings documentary, and in that, OnePlus officially announced the Nord series that is going to include the affordable smartphones. Now, while we don't know the exact launch date, we do know that the launch is happening this month and the OnePlus Nord will launch in Europe and India first. Until now, we did not have any official look at the OnePlus Nord. All we had were the CAD renders and the concepts based on the leaks. Today, however, OnePlus finally gave us the official look at the design of this phone. The company posted a video on its Instagram account which revealed the design from the front as well as the rear. As the image shows, the OnePlus Nord has a dual punch hole cutout on the top left of the display, so there are dual selfie cameras. Now, the display is flat and not curved like the OnePlus 8 series, but that is not a surprise at all. The image also shows that OnePlus has kept the alert slider that we see on every OnePlus flagship. On the back, the OnePlus Nord has a vertically placed camera setup that includes either 3 or 4 cameras. Now, there is no fingerprint scanner on the back or on the side, which means the phone has an in-display fingerprint scanner and hence an AMOLED display. The Amazon page of the OnePlus Nord also confirmed the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G SoC. Also, we already know that the dual selfie cameras include a primary 32MP shooter and a secondary 8MP ultra-wide camera. Well, with every teaser from OnePlus, we are getting to know more and more details related to the OnePlus Nord. In coming days, we will also get to know the launch date. So, what do you think of the design of the phone? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.